Okay, so I want to show you how I operate my mouse from my keyboard right from the home row. I have a little Python app I created with AI. Just open it up here right now. Okay, it's currently running here. Let's just stop it so I can show you what's in there. It's a config file and one Python file. And what the Python file does, it maps my home row keys. Here, I'll just show you a demo here. So let's go Python 3 HRM.py. Okay, and then use Super J to activate mouse mode. So Super J. Okay, so now my cursor is moving. Now I can move into an application here like this. So this is ChatGPT. Now J moves left, L moves right, I moves up, and K moves down. So I kind of mapped it so it's on my home row, but it kind of works like my arrow keys. The arrow keys work too. You can use the arrow keys. And then mouse scroll wheel, you can go up like this with U and then end down like that. Now, if you want to go faster, you can hold down the control and it moves the cursor around real fast. And then once you're in position, then you can kind of take it off the fast mode and just like position your cursor so you're a little bit more accurate. It does have an acceleration, so if I like hold down L like this, it'll start going a little bit faster if I just keep holding it. But yeah, super configurable. What else? Oh, I should also mention that you can go X, and that takes off mouse mode. Okay, so let's turn mouse mode back on. I just hold Control J. And you can do this in any application once the application is running. So let's go here to where we're going to write something here. So I can, oh, I should mention also that click is spacebar and right click is the semicolon. So it's still in the home row here. So that's the right click. And then spacebar is actually the left mouse button. So I can go like back. There we go. Let's go to the repo here. I think I have it open here. No, I don't have it open. Let's just open it. Why not? Let's go here to repo. What was it? GitHub. GitHub. Let's go to GitHub. Oh, so I'm currently in mouse mode. So the keys that are it's mapped to is it's basically suppressed. So to get out of mouse mode, X. Okay, so now I can write. So GitHub, and it's now I can re-engage the keyboard again, or the mouse again, and now there's home row mouse. There it is. So that's the repo. You can download it from here. I'll provide the URL in the video description. And I think there was a few other things I want to mention here. So it works only with X11 Linux. Right now I'm running Ubuntu and I use Genome. Super J to engage a mouse, and then the directional keys work as well. And then the mouse wheel emulation works. The arrow keys work, yeah. Space to click and hold to drag. Oh yeah, let me show you that thing here. So like let's I got spacebar. Let's try to select this. So if I hold down the spacebar and I run it, there you go. So it selects it. I can copy it with Control C and then go here and let's just paste it. There you go. And then if I want to write, I have to disengage the mouse with X, and now I can have full access to the keyboard. Then re-engage with the Windows button J or Super J, and now it goes. Now let's talk about a few bugs. You'll notice, you probably saw it right here, is when I press Super J, it writes J. So I still have to fix that. It's kind of annoying, but it's a bug right now. So let me do that again. I'm going to disengage and then, okay, Super J, boom. See, it writes J, but then it engages, and then no other keys are written. So that's a bug. Oh, and then the other bug I'm running into quite a bit is if I hit the Windows key to bring up the genome overview, and then I move my mouse around. Okay, the mouse moves, but the keys are being mapped, or like they're not being suppressed in the overview menu. So that's a bug that I'm struggling to fix. So if you know how to fix that, let me know. Okay, so the workaround for that is actually if I were to exit out of here and then I go disengage the mouse mode X, and now I use this and I can go, chat GPT or whatever. Okay. Then re-engage the mouse mode, and then I got the mouse mode. I can move fast, holding down control. Okay, and then let's go into cursor. So this is the reason I wanted to show you this is because config file. So in the config file, you can change basically the speed options. So right now I have the default speed option at 3, which is like 3 pixels. And I find that's a good balance of good accuracy and also speed. And then the other, if you hold down control, the control leap distance, whoops, let me do that again. Okay, so the leap distance is 20. So if I hold down control and move around, it's 20 pixels. And I found that to be pretty good for my use. But you can tweak stuff in here, and it's all self-explanatory, basically. The key mappings themselves are in the Python file. So if you go into the Python file, this is about, I don't know, it's like, how long is this? I think it's about 1,000 lines of code. Yeah, let's look. It's like, oh yeah, just over 1,200 lines of code. So, but the key mappings are in here, and you can change it there or use cursor. I use AI for a lot of stuff now. I hardly edit the code. I just and it's faster that way. So I'm loving it. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm just going to check my text file here. Yeah, I went over everything. So that's it. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, and if you have any questions. All right, talk to you later.